Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you step by step how you can save edits and changes in your designs and projects on Figma. So let us get started. Alright guys, right from the get-go, there is an auto save feature or function here on Figma that allows you to save any changes and edits you make or apply to your design automatically, so that you don't have to press any key or click on save anywhere. It works 100% automatically, guys. So let me demonstrate it to you and show you proof. So let's assume you've been working on a web design or a website project like this. So let me just move that image here to the right. So that's the change or the edit. And I didn't press any save key or didn't save manually here. So for demonstration purposes, let me just close that tab here with that project. And after that, head over to my list of ongoing projects or recent projects. Like that one here, that's the one I've been working on. So let us check if these changes have been saved automatically. Let me double click into it to open it. Wait for the loading to be finished. And there you go. As you can see, guys, that image or photo is still in its new or edited position. As you can see, I moved it from that location here to that one, from that area. So as you can see, Figma saves any changes and edits automatically, guys. If you'd like to save specific versions, like version history, for example, of your designs. For instance, if you made any mistakes, or if you'd like to restore a previous version of your design or project, guys, you can do that too and save these versions manually to restore them later at some point. Let me show you how to do that. So what you want to do is click into that Figma icon or symbol in the top left corner or main menu. After that, hover your mouse over File here, and you may, for example, save a local copy in FIG file format on your device. That's the first option, so I can do that really quickly. After that, the given project will be saved on your device, like your desktop computer or laptop, and you will see the file here, FIG, in your download folder. So that's one option. The other option, guys, would be, again, click into that Figma icon in the top left, hover your mouse over File, and this time select Save to Version History here, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-S or Command-Alt-S if you're using a Mac. And after that, customize your version history. So let me name it, for example, version 1 for that project here. Sorry for the typo. Just like that, you may describe it below and, for example, describe what changes and edits you have made. And that's basically it. Confirm by clicking on Save here. And now, guys, you will be able to access that exact version here of your design with all edits and changes that have been made up to that point where you saved that version by accessing your version history. Click on that Figma icon again in the top left, hover your mouse over File and select Show Version History. That is going to open up that version history to the right. So you may navigate through these save points like autosave versions, and you may restore, for example, previous autosave versions, as you can see with dating back. Or you may simply go with your manually saved versions just like that. Left click into it to restore it, or click into these three dots here. And for example, select restore this version, duplicate that version, or delete it, copy the link, and so on and so forth. And then you can add as many version histories of your design you like to go back to that, to these versions later at some point. For example, if you have made changes you didn't like, for example, or if you'd like to restore a previous version. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.